My name is Hilary Shelton. I'm director of the NAACP's Washington Bureau and senior vice president for advocacy and policy. We're today in front of ALEC's headquarters, the American Legislative Exchange Council, to raise issues and concerns about the shoot-to-kill laws, the so-called stand-your-ground laws, and the role they played in the racial profiling incident of Trayvon Martin. And very well we know that what we have in this case is in many ways the worst form of perfect storm. Perfect storm in which someone with racial animus would decide that a 17-year-old kid, because he was African American and the way he was dressed, was somehow a criminal. He didn't know who Trayvon Martin was. He didn't know what he'd done in his past or what his plans were for his future. But he knew that he saw this kid that somehow or another met his expectation of a violent criminal, and that he should be able to use his power as a local volunteer community patrol person to actually invoke justice, in this case murder, on this 17-year-old kid.
Do you think that the video that just came out that showed Zimmerman 4 hours after his arrest, do you think that that illuminates the issue at all? It looked like there was a lack of injuries.
Absolutely. What they keep trying to argue is that somehow or another Mr. Zimmerman felt threatened, that that threat was the reason that justified the deadly shooting. But when we look at the case, we realize there was no indication of any threat, and if you combine that video with the 911 transcripts we've heard of even the police telling him to stand down, they sent a patrol officer out, that he felt that under this new Florida law that he could kill this young man anyway. It all played a very deadly and horrific role.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.